Today, we shall learn how to change an active voice into passive voice. The voice of the verb tells if the subject of the verb performs an action. Voice means होता है वाच्य, जिसको हम वाच्य हिंदी में कहते हैं। वाच्य आपके दो प्रकार के होते हैं। इसमें क्रिया ये बताती है कि कौन काम कर रहा है। काम करने वाले को हम कर्ता कहते हैं, और जो काम किया जा रहा है, जो एक्शन है, उसको ऑब्जेक्ट कहा जाता है। तो वॉइस ऑफ द वर्ब टेल्स इफ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब परफॉर्म्स एन एक्शन। एज द बॉय राइट्स an essay. This given sentence is the example of simple sentence in assertive form in active voice. And in this sentence, writes first form plus s shows present indefinite tense. Who writes? Then the answer, the boy. It means the doer is in this sentence the boy and acts to write an essay. This sentence refers to an active voice. When we change it into passive voice, then there are only six basic rules to change an active voice into passive voice. First, subject. Second, helping verb. Third, main verb. 4, preposition by. 5, object. And 6, personal pronoun. These 6 words makes a sentence into passive form. When we change an active voice into passive form, then we use these rules. First, subject. It means subject is changed into object. And second, helping verb. It means helping verb is added according to its tense and the number of new subject. And third, main verb. If the main verb is in present tense, in present indefinite tense, then or in any tense, then we use it into third form to make it into passive voice. And preposition by is used before the new object, and if object is changed into the subject. Number 6, personal pronoun. When in the subject or in the object, we change it into according to its case in nominative case or in objective case. In the above sentence, the boy works as a subject and writes works as a main verb, and an essay works an object. Now, when we change it into passive voice, then object and essay is replaced in the place of subject and essay. Now, helping verb is added according to its tense and the number of new subject. The verb first form plus s or es shows present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, helping verb do or does. But when we change it into passive form, then we do not use helping verb do or does. In place of do or does, we use helping verb is, am, are according to the new subject. New subject and essay is in singular number form, then we use helping verb is. And now helping main verb is put in third form. Write in third form, written. And preposition by is used before the new object by. The boy is replaced in the object as an object, the boy. In this sentence, there is no personal pronoun. So, the boy is considered as the objective case. If the sentence has he, then it is changed into him. These six basic rules are used to make a sentence into passive as an essay is written by the boy. It means we can say these six words are basic rules that you learn and you make a sentence into passive voice easily.